It's been a busy weekend and we need to get our car maintained and inspected. However, we don't really have time, so one of the perks about living in China is what I'm about to show you. So this is how you get a car inspection in China. First off, I'm in my home. So now I'm just kind of leaving the parking garage area, and let's go up and see. This is a great example of why I love life in China, because everything is so convenient. Our car's been needing like an oil change and just like the general maintenance checkup. And so I'm gonna go do that now. It's gonna take me like 2 minutes. Most car dealerships here in China, they offer a service where if you need your car maintained or inspected, they'll send somebody to pick up your car for you and also drop it off. And so we just booked it right through the app, and in total it costs around $28 or 200 RMB. So what's convenient about living in China is there's always someone that can like do your errands for you. So he's just kind of inspecting the car and he's going to take it for the checkup, and then when it's done, I'm not sure if he's going to bring it back or if someone else is going to bring it back, but it's convenient about living in China. So then, yeah, that's basically it. The guy is going to take our car to Nissan. They're going to do the inspection, change our oil, do whatever it is they have to do, and someone's going to drive it back. Yeah, and just like that, he brought the car back for us. So the car is all done, like being inspected, going through the maintenance, and yeah, they just sent a code to my wife's phone. I give that code to the driver, he puts it in, and then the transaction's done. So yeah, so in the time that it took for him to take my car there, have the car maintenance, and bring it back, we already got so much done. Like, we cleaned the whole house today. I had to run some errands, take some photos for my coming up visa renewal. And so I think this convenient part of China is pretty great, that you don't have to like really spend your own time doing stuff that you don't really want to do, but you have to do, like, you know what I mean? And yeah, so that's gonna be today's video. I think it's gonna be my laziest video. I didn't do anything for this, but yeah. I just noticed all of the car inspection papers are just right here in the seat for us, and yeah, it looks like they clean the inside of the car, so it's really nice. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and someone's in my parking spot. All right.